My name is Marian Cretsu. I'm from Romania, and my current job is process simulation specialist at AutoTotal. It's a company that deals with spare parts distribution for cars. Basically, I use FlexSim at the beginning of this current project to dimension the warehouse, to know exactly how much space we need, what kind of storage systems we need, and also how many people we will need in the warehouse. Just for us to make an idea of what we could expect from the future, given the highs and the lows of the market, which it's very, it's very strange for the moment. You can have a very, like one of your colleagues said earlier, you can have a flood one day, and then the other day you can have a very low activity. So you have to deal with this to basically to satisfy the customer, which gives you the money, and in the end, this is what your business does, satisfy the client. I really love the idea of the process flow. The fact that you can control everything, you can get to the bottom of things, it's really nice for me. As I said in the presentation, you really feel when you are in front of the application, you really feel like a surgeon on a surgery table. Changing, moving things, repairing things, you can do that virtually, and you can see the result in real life. It started with a nice, very nice story. I was looking for a simulation software to help me build a very complex model, and FlexSim was the only one who could provide that solution. They also helped me. I had some background in simulation. In the past, I did a few simple projects, not very big, but the engineers from FlexSim helped me, trained me, so I can use the software very well, and to get the results I need from this. So it was a very nice experience. It was a 3-stage training: level 1, level 2, and level 3. I started with Monica class. Sometimes we met with David, and of course there was a lot of private studying. You can never get too much information from the training, but you need to also study in private and test and run simulations to better understand the system. I met a lot of interesting people and a lot of smart people. This is the kind of people I like to surround myself. As one famous guy said once, show me your friends and I'll show you your future. So if you have a lot of smart friends, you will understand what are your problems, and you will solve it, and then you can move to another level. Personally, I would like to thank Christian, because he was the one who saved me in the beginning, not finding the right software for me, and this was, let's say, a restart of my career in simulation. Thanks to this wonderful guy, Christian.